Let's get it, man. It's Big CEO BJ. So today we're gonna be going over the natural lineups for my client, and I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. So start off by cleaning the surface, cleaning the canvas with a neck duster. I'm gonna start off with his bars, show y'all how to get it done the natural way with the razor. So I'm going in with the bars, using the corners for my curves, C cups, however you want to go about it. Both sides. I know I kind of got it in the way. Make sure you just tapping and pulling as you go. Comb all the hair down. Snagging and pulling, snagging and pulling. All I'm doing is dipping my trimmers into the enhancement pencil just so I can see the guideline where I'm at with it. And then I'm going to take it out by using a razor. See, just tapping and pull, tapping and pull. I'm using the 3 fingers on my right hand, my dominant hand, to make sure that it's stable. So just in case he move or sneeze, all that good stuff. But make sure I have that stability, you know. See how the line's hitting? So now I'm just going over it with the razor, smudging everything out because I really want to get rid of the pencil. I was just kind of using it as a guide to see where I'm at. And yes, my trimmers are modified. There's no such thing as zero gap because zero gap would be considered cutting a client when the steel blade and the moving blade is fully closed and they won't be able to have any space, which doesn't exist. Once you go to school, you will realize that they're considered modified. Using a razor, tightening them up. Because like, who is sliced without using a razor? I got the whole razor tatted on my face. Make sure I'm stretching the skin with my other hand, which will be my left hand. As you see, real smooth, real simple. See how it looks? Real just like that. Going over his blend, detail work basically, you know. The cut is clean though, I'm already done. Like I said, the main focus will be on the trimmers today. Trimmer placement, how I'm holding it, natural lineup, razor, all of that good stuff. I always gotta apply the hot sauce. But y'all tap in, man. If it's any questions, anything y'all want to learn or know, like I said, today was just on a natural lineup. I just want to show y'all. Just like that. That simple, that smooth. Like I said, man, follow me on Instagram, bigceo.bj or BJ's Cuts with 2 Z's. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Let's go.